Okay, Navy Vet 76 out the range with my IAB Sharps. IAB was a company that made these. It is M4570. Now, I've done a lot of different experiments on this. I went and bought an accurate mold I had made for this, and it's a 474 grain lead bullet. It is not a hollow base, I think. Well, I can verify that, but I believe this is solid. And what I ended up seeing was with the IMR 4198, it does not burn the powder completely. And so I wanted to try some things. So first of all, I started with a empty case, and I put the bullet in and would keep trying it in the chamber until it would close. And then I backed it up. Then I pushed it down 10 more thousandths. So we are roughly 10 thousandths off of the land in there. It will not chamber in my trapdoor. The specific bullet will only chamber in the falling block here. So we're going to try these again today. What happened the last time I took this out, the front sight, I lost the front sight. The aperture just fell out. So I did 3 shots just to see what it would do. And it seems to work pretty good. I don't have chronographs set up. I will just look down the barrel and see. Now I had peep sights put on this thing. And I also, if you look at the videos on this, you'll see the things I had done to it. So now I can't see the target. Well, that sucks. I cannot see the target. Okay. It's fuzzy. It's fuzzy is like crazy fuzzy. I can't see it. All right. I'm not liking that. I don't know what I can do about that. I've never had this issue before. That is really weird. We need a darker target. Because I can't see anything. All right. There, I went to the range office and I'm going to try these. See if that improves anything. I really can't see nothing. All right. So I got a yellow orange dot down there. Hopefully I can see that. I think it has something to do with this type of aperture I've got in the front here. Never had this problem before. Yeah, I can see that better. All right. Peep sight's dirty too. All right. Whew, that's got some kick to it. So what I did, I don't know if I even went that far in the description. I cut out some cardboard and I made a wad and I put it down over the top of the powder, and then I put a little cotton on top of that. And I can look down here. I'm really not seeing any powder residue in there. It's all burnt, and there's none in there. So that worked. Okay. Yeah, I need a brighter target just to see. This thing has got a hair trigger. It's never, ever let me down. I've heard people say that this IAB Sharps was not a decent gun, but I've not had any issues with it other than the barrel was bent when I got it, and I didn't get it new, so I took to the gunsmith, had it worked on. There's quite a bit of recoil here. But that is a heavier bullet than what I've been using. I was using the what they call the Lee 405 grain hollow base bullet. This bullet's almost 200 grains heavier. But all right, let's get in there. I had a guy get a hold of me on YouTube and asked me about my rifle, but he said he bought one just like it. Asked me if I ever had any issues with it. Not really. Nothing that couldn't be fixed. Yeah, I'm going to change out that front aperture because for some reason it's creating a problem for me seeing the target. Trigger on this thing it's a hair trigger. I mean, just touch it, it goes off. Okay, and how many that was. I get to talking and lose count. I get talking to my wife when I'm driving. Forget where I'm going. Normally I shoot with both eyes open. For some reason, my left eye is picking that dot up really bright, and my right eye has trouble focusing on the orange dot. So I have to close my eye. I haven't looked down range yet. Well, I just shoot a bunch. I get quite the recoil here on this. Again, that's IMR 4198 at 27 grains of the CCI 200 large rifle primer, and my overall length with this bullet is 2 inches 760 thousandths. But I must be getting a more consistent burn, because I have still yet to see any. I mean, there's little bits of residue in there, but not like it was before. So it's burning better. I want to look and see how we're hitting. Okay, I'm hitting low and to the right. So we can move this. So there's no marks on here. Could just loosen just a little bit. Okay. Bring that up a little bit. Tighten it. Now, evidently my winding screws were loose. Okay. Because I got a lock screw. Okay. Everything was a little loose there. All right. This particular peep sight has no fine graduations for windage, so you can loosen the aperture, you can move it left and right. You can also adjust the whole thing left and right with the screws here on the bottom. All right, let's see what we got now.
Fire, 1 minute.
When I took this to the gunsmith, he worked on the extractor. I did forget about that. I didn't really notice a problem with it other than it was a little loose. But he's a great guy to work with. He pays attention to detail. That's got some bark to it. Now, let's wait till after the break. Let's shoot some more. Well, it was shooting over here. Brought it over here a little bit. So I need to bring the elevation up and go from there. Okay. I'll bring that elevation up some more. Don't know what that bullet is. It's marked. Too long, that's what it is. Won't chamber. All right. Don't want to put my finger on that trigger till I'm ready to shoot. It's a hair trigger. I'll peek down there and see if it brought the group up a little bit. Okay. I know they didn't all go in the same hole. All right. I think it needs to come up some more. Be careful. I can actually have to loosen the aperture in order to raise it. And it can affect the windage. I really don't know where those are hitting. I know they can't be going really high. All right. Let's try something a little crazy here and bring the elevation up some more. Shouldn't have to adjust it that much. Okay. Yeah, now it's really high. That one's a bullseye. All right. It's weird. It's shooting okay. Yeah. I got two in the orange now. Okay. A little bit to the right. I'd like to put a scope on this. There's 4 in the orange. This would shoot a lot better with a scope. Five in the orange. That one was right at the bottom. Not liking this front aperture sight. But I am saying that my reload issue, yeah, there's really no spent powder in there. So that little cardboard wad and a little bit cotton on top of it, it forces it to burn more of the powder. I should set up a chronograph and see what my deviation is. I'm not going to. The accurate mold works pretty good. I have tried the 500 grain bullet. That sucker is painful. Shot it in my trap door too, and that Lee 500 grain bullet, the recoil is.
1 minute to cease fire. 1 minute.
That recoil is unbearable, at least for me. All right, we got a minute to cease fire. Take you down there and show you the results.
Alright, shooters, looks like everybody's back at down range. Let's move forward, load, and start shooting. Same for next time.
Yeah, thank you. Just leave them here, and
Alrighty.
all I do is change that front aperture. That's what the problem is my eye wants to focus on that aperture and then everything else.
You know what that's called? Old age.
Yeah. So what it is, it's a little like a peep sight, but only in the front.
Yep.
And a post, for some reason, I can do a post, but when I put that little round sight up there,
I'm the same thing with my sharp.
Yeah.
I got a insert to the front.
Yeah.
The post is still the best.
That's why I'm shooting the sharps, and yeah, I got to change that out.